Designed for imperfect sealing surfaces, engineered and manufactured specifically for the repair environment to help seal imperfect sealing surfaces. Engineered to perform proprietary cork-rubber formulation. Superior seal, highly conformable to accommodate for the imperfect sealing surfaces. Every part for the repair. FelPro gasket sets include every part needed for the repair unless otherwise noted. Real-world tested, parts are tested on vehicle and validated to ensure optimal performance on the road. FelPro gaskets offer 100% vehicle sealing with application-specific materials to give you sealing solutions with the performance and durability professionals trust. Top reviews from the United States. Fitz 07, F.J. Cruiser. After 140,000 miles I decided to change the original valve cover gasket on my 07, F.J. Cruiser. The valve cover was leaking a bit of oil on both sides, and when I removed the cover, the gaskets were hard, like plastic. I waited too much time to do this simple DIY job, but finally I did it myself and the result is great. So far so good. FelPro gaskets look high quality.